welcome back to my channel.
Hello, I am Rupa and this is my friend Diana.
Dia berasal dari Filipina dan sekarang kita mau tanya-tanya nih. How about you feel coming this boarding house?
When I come first here, the feeling is strange because the people here I don't know and nothing to meet like this. But when getting to know each other, there will be a good friends.
Yeah.
Yes. And then the people here is very good and very friendly and kind.
Yeah, but different.
Yes, different. We are different. What is that?
Story?
No, not the story.
Different country?
Different country.
Yeah, different language also.
Different language also. But
We are.
we're still good each other.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then how about your job?
My job.
Yeah.
My job is terminated. No. I am terminated, but I am not lonely.
Yeah.
I am not sad because I feel free and happy.
How about your day after you terminate your contract? I mean the all of
The day when I terminated, nothing.
just free like that.
Yes, I'm not afraid. I am not sad, lonely. When said that, can we talk? And oh sure sir, why not? And sir said me after I finished the wash, cleaning all the house, and then sir told me come here, and then I come, and then I asked the sir, why are you calling me? And what about the talking? What are you talking about? The topic like that. And then sir said, the face is serious. And then look at my face. I will terminate your contract.
Oh.
Oh, really, sir? I said, really, sir?
You just like smiling.
No, not the smile, but not sad. Really, sir? Yes. Oh. Okay. And then sir, look at me. See my face. Okay, sir. And what I will do? Pack your things.
Oh.
Okay, sir. And then I will come back. Wait a minute, sir. Why? What is the reason if you terminated me? And sir said that not suitable for the job. Not suitable. But we know you are hardworking.
Yeah.
And you are good.
Then you say your cooking is very delicious.
Yes. And sir told me that your cooking skill is good. If you want to go another employer, I will help you. And sir said,
Yeah.
and don't worry, I will settle your money. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. And then I will go on my room and then pack my things. And then when I got this, I smile.
That's a good value for your employer.
Yes.
And then if your employer saw this, how about you want to talk with them? Just thank you very much or other word. Yeah. If she saw, you watching.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Because when I working here, work the house, so it's good, and the baby.
Yeah. You miss her a lot.
Yes, I love the baby and love the baby.
Yeah. Maybe someday you will find a good employer.
Yes.
After that. We never know.
You never know.
Yeah, because You must go back to Philippines, right?
Yes, in 28.
In 28.
Sir give me before I leaving the house. She give me a time to make a decision if I will going back home early or not, or I'll use to 14 days. But suddenly,
She give you
I
the
shocked.
ticket.
I shocked and give me the ticket. Only,
For day? For the only.
buy me ticket and then going back to the Philippines.
But I think the God choice this situation. This God give for you the best choice, I think.
Yes, yes. Maybe I'm thinking maybe when I get out of the house of my employer, I said, maybe the God will make a decision for me.
Yeah.
Because God know always can mistake us.
Yeah.
She put on the right way.
The good.
The good for us.
Yeah.
The good for us, not only the bad.
Yeah.
I'm thinking, and then
Yeah.
not lonely.
Yeah.
I'm not sad.
I want to ask something. Why the Philippine? I saw the Philippine like you
Yes.
so fighting when the employer not use the rule.
Yes.
Why you must fighting like that?
The Indonesian,
Indonesian little bit have power like that. I mean.
why I always
Yeah, the Philippines, most people in the
Philippines.
Yeah. If
She know all the
yeah.
he will fighting. Yes.
Yeah.
But me, my employer always like that to me, and then put on my ear. Not stay in my mind.
Yeah.
Like this. But when it comes, said that too much hurt for me, and then I will know I am right. I'm fighting. Like that.
But because some people from Indonesia didn't have any.
Yeah, didn't have like what is that?
We also I don't know also what the name.
In the Philippines called it's matapang.
Matapang.
Yes, fighting.
Fighting like that.
Fighting.
Yeah.
Fighting for the right.
Yeah.
And we know our right. Still fighting.
Yeah.
Yes.
But little bit Indonesia like that.
Yeah, Filipina is so
Yeah. Too much. The first coming
Philippine.
Yeah. She very powerful, I think. She give them one.
Me not speak, but inside of me, and like that. Not angry. When I know I am right, fighting. Yes. Then that's why Filipina.
Yeah. I want to like that because when I want to talk with my employer like that.
You know, I always talking to myself. Really? Yes. I said, I WhatsApp her, sir. No. This is your house is too much work for me. So many things. No, sir. Good. Okay.
Like that.
And then sir said to me, you know, I like you because you always said inside your mind.
Your mind.
Yeah, not to keep, not to hide us. Always speak.
Yeah.
Sir said to me, I like your
Attitude.
yes, yeah, I like your attitude. You're an honest person.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like that.
Sir told us on my WhatsApp. So many conversation, and we still argue. But after that, after sir going to home, smile mo na. I said, what happened? Later we were angry. And now she's smiling at me. You could just say me, baby sir. I think so when I come first before in the house, sir is bad because like that. And then next
But
week,
now,
but
now
now,
it's good.
now it's
Personal.
good, good. Sir is good. Mom always not speak, but boom, like this. Chow like this. Yeah.
Ah, the